Good morning. This morning I want to make a mandala, and I am using Sinfonia 100% cotton mercerized yarn. It's from Hobby Lobby. I have 3 colors, and I have a size E 3.5mm hook and some stitch markers for just in case I need them, and a little pair of scissors. So let's get started. Okay, now I need to make a magic ring. And I need 12 singles in the ring. I always seem to fumble with this. All right, there's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. And then we want to join it. So the first thing I want to do is try to tighten my magic circle just a tad there. So I'm going to pull on this side to get it a little tighter. Okay. Now when you slip stitch to join, I always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 12th one from my hook. I'm going to insert, I'm going to pull it through and do a slip stitch right there. And then I'm going to pull this a little bit tighter right there. There we go. All right, that was round 1. So this is what we have after round 1. It looks like that. And round 2, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to double crochet in the same place, in the same stitch. Okay, there's the double crochet. Then we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip the next single, skip that one, and then we're going to double in the next one. So we're skipping, and then we're going to double here. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3 again. We're going to double. We're going to skip this one and double. And we're going to chain 3 again. Skip the next one and double in the next. Continue doing the same thing, chain 3, skip 1, and double until you get to the end, and I'll meet you right there. Now we're at the end of that round, 2, and we've done the chain 3. We're going to skip this one and we're going to slip stitch right in there. There. Now that completes it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops. Okay. And in round 3, we're going to be working in these loops that we've made. Okay, so in order to start there, we need to slip stitch to the top here. So we have to get up there. And we need to slip stitch into the loop. Now, we're going to single crochet going to do 2 doubles in that same loop. There's 1 and there's 2. We're going to do a triple in the loop. We're going to do 2 more doubles in that loop. And then we're going to do another single. And that's what it looks like. Okay? Now, we're going to do that 5 more times and join it. So what you're going to do in each one of these loops, each one of these right here, each one, you're going to do a single, 2 doubles, 1 treble, 2 doubles, and a single. So you're making little petals. So I'll do it one more time to show you. We're going to go right from the first one to the second loop with our single crochet. A single, double, another double, treble, you have to keep pushing these over to make room. I'm going to do 2 more doubles. This Sinfonia yarn wants to tangle in itself. It's really kind of a pain to work with. Oh. All right, another double because I only did 1. And then my single. And that completes your second petal right there. And now just continue. Single, double, double, treble, double, double, single in each one. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. So now you have made a flower. If you want to stop now, you have a cute flower. And you can make a bunch of these and just have flowers. And if you want to continue with the mandala though, you're going to need to finish that. You're going to need to join that round. So you just simply insert your hook, pull it through, and slip stitch. We're going to change colors. So at this point, I'm going to cut my yarn and get my white ready to go. I'm going to pull this through though. Go like this, and there you are, ready for sewing in later. Okay, for this round we're going to be working with our new color. I'm going to put white in there. Now where do you put it? You're going to look at your petals and notice where that treble is that you put in that row. It's right here in the center. And here is that treble, the loop for that one. Go right to the right side of it, right here. That is your double crochet. That's just before the triple. That's where you're going to put your white. Now you're going to do a standing single crochet, which means you're going to put a loop, slip knot on your hook. You're going to go to that stitch that I just indicated, insert your hook, pull it through, and pull it through again. Make a single crochet. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, we have now our standing single crochet. We're going to do another single right here. Third single. Half double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Another double crochet. And in the next one, you're going to do a half double crochet. All right, now you have done 7 stitches. 3 singles, a half, 2 doubles, and another half. You're going to repeat this sequence around each petal. Okay, so let's do another one. Single, 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 half, double crochet, double crochet, another double crochet right in here, and a half. Now you have done 2 sequences. You're right back where you started, just like where we started. I'm going to start with a single, single, another single, another single, a half, double crochet, a double crochet, another double crochet right in there, and then a half double crochet, and you finished that sequence. Now if you forget, if I forget what I'm doing, since we're doing the same thing over and over and over, I just look back over here, see what I did, and in which stitches I put those, and then just copy it all the way around until you get to the end, and I'll meet you at the end of this round.